guys, it's me, Pretty Crafty, back with a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys these really cute, nice, inspired outfits I made for my daughter Brooke. I purchased both the shorts and shirts from Target. Shorts were $6 and the top was only $5. Look how cute these came out. I also used the Easy Press. I use my Silhouette Cameo to cut everything out. Guys, these are super easy and affordable to make, and I also have a free download, SVG, and ping for you guys to make and create. Everything is already done for you. Each image is already mirrored. All you have to do is upload it in your Silhouette or your Cricut Design Space, cut, and you are ready to go. As you can see, I'm just adding moisture to my shirt before I'm heat pressing everything. This locks in the moisture and it makes it easy for the heat press vinyl to adhere to the shirt, and it lasts forever, you guys. I've been making custom things for my little girls for years, and wash after wash after wash, believe me, it sticks. You don't even need to use a heat press or easy press. You could do this using an iron and it works the same. Just make sure to heat it first, like by ironing over it, so it could lock in that moisture. Like I said, do that technique and everything will last forever. And guys, I'm just showing you really quick how I'm applying everything. I did not video or record, sorry, I didn't record the other set that I made, but I just included it in the picture because of the SVG image that's on my website that you could purchase below. And as you can see, I'm just applying that pressure to everything really quick. I always do that. I have a heavy hand and a heavy foot, like when I'm driving, like brrr. Okay, so I'm almost finishing up here, and I'm gonna show you guys how everything came out. Super cute. I love the colors that I use too, and you could just match it with some sneakers like the Nikes in these colors, and I just thought it would be really cute. And she actually loved how everything came out, and she loved the colors that I used. For the second black set, I did use a glow in the dark for the middle and some neon colors to pop. And all the heat press vinyl that I'm using is made from Cricut. And they vinyl to me is really good. Like, I never had an issue with anything coming up. So there you go. Now I'm just finishing the Nike part. And look how cute. And all I did was on the shorts, I just put the little Nike check using the green glittery color. And it all came together perfectly. Yes. Is a little piece up on the green set that I'm going to use my mini easy press to set it in with. And I'm just going to go back over the Nike part really quick because the tip is still up. And we are about to be done. I just wanted to show you this, guys, how easy it was. And like I said, everything is mirrored for you on my website for you to download and create these yourself for your little ones. So cute. You can even do these for your little boys in boyish colors. Like this, it could even be a boy color, but you know I'm doing it on for girls. Like as far as the short set and the t-shirt goes. So yes, these are a quick look at the shorts. And again, this is how everything came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Love you guys. Until next time.